look what we have here. More DeddyBears, Series 4. Collect all 6. Here we have Philippe Flop, Snaps, Hexbear, Hank Hotpot, Yumi, Marion Annette. She's a marionette. Now, let's open up, shall we? Let's do this. And we have Hank Hotpot. What is that? A crab? A crab, Daddy? It's very soft though. Very nice. Got the lemon right there. Hank Hotpot, 19th April, 1880. No matter how many times they tried to steam him, every time they lifted the lid on the pot, they would hear him. Hello! After 16 times of failed steaming, they just gave up and let him leave the restaurant. Hank Hotspot has been a fabulous shade of red ever since. Smell lemon. Loves really hot steamy weather. Weakness, snow. Hank Hotpot, we love you.